Chapter 20, Part 2, Translation. Un moulin à vent ne sert à rien pour un animal à quatre pattes. So we start off with literally mill à vent. So this is a windmill. A moulin is a mill, and vent is wind. So this would be a windmill. Ne sert à rien. So servir à is to be useful for something. Ne rien means nothing. It's useful for nothing. Pour un animal à quatre pattes. So for, and then we've got an animal à quatre pattes. So that'd be an animal with 4 foot or a 4-footed animal. A windmill is useless for a 4-footed animal. Il y a une machine à café sur la machine à laver. There's a machine à café is going to be a coffee maker. Sur, on, la machine à laver, the washing machine. Now this was the case of our in our kitchen in our first apartment, because the apartment in France was teeny tiny, and the only place that there was a drain for water was the kitchen. So we had the washing machine in the small kitchen, and so we would often have the coffee maker on the washing machine. Je tiens à cette montre en argent. So tenir à is to hold to or value. I value this watch in silver, so I cherish this silver watch would be a good way of saying it. Voudriez-vous une tasse de thé? Une tasse à thé. So voudriez-vous is would you like? That's a conditional of vouloir. Une tasse de thé. So this would be a cup of tea, or une tasse à thé would be a teacup. So would you like a cup of tea or a teacup? Is this question here.